Welcome to Knives and Tequila. Now today, not only will you learn the most incredible deviled egg recipe, but we're gonna solve a problem, a serious problem. Now I'm tired of people telling me how to peel eggs, so today, we're gonna test all these methods. Traditional boiling with some vinegar, we'll use the Instapot, and this strange contraption from Amazon. But we're gonna find out today how to peel that egg. Enjoy. All right, a pretty simple start. All these just need water. So the boiling, we just need a cup of water. But we're also gonna add 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. Maybe not that much. I don't know what that actually does, but that's what the internet and people seem to say about peeling eggs, so we'll try it. All right, so the Instapot will also use 1 cup of water. Our strange Amazon contraption uses maybe 1/4 cup, just the bottom layer of this. Now we throw down our eggs. So we're gonna go 6 eggs in each one of these contraptions. Throw down our 6 for the Instapot. Hey, odd colored guy. And now we're ready to turn these things on. Max heat, we wanna boil. Now the Instapot, we're gonna seal. We're going to pressure cook. And we're gonna take that down to 6 minutes. And we're gonna let it ride. All right, last, our strange contraption, we'll just throw on its lid and wow, this is cheaply made, and see what happens. So as far as timelines, our strange contraption will be about 10 minutes and we'll get a beep. The Instapot, we're going 5 minutes pressurized, we're going 5 minutes slow release with the pressure, and then another 5 minutes that will cool. And our last one, the boiling water, is about 10 to 12 minutes. So we're all in the kind of the similar ballpark here, but they're all going in a wonderful ice bath as soon as they get out of this heat. All right, these guys are almost done, so we're gonna fix up their ice baths. Hot. Ugh. Whatever. Yeah. Yeah. God. Whew. All right, now, what you've all been waiting for. Which egg will peel best? The traditional? Let's find out. In all of these, we are doing the ice bath method with a little crunch and roll. All right. Oh man, damn it. All right, that ain't so bad. We're gonna go another one. We'll go number 2. Hup. Roll. And peel. Yeah, it's pretty smooth. Let's see if I can get it in one peel. Yeah! I call that a win. All right, we're just gonna work our way through all of the traditional boiled with a little vinegar. All right, so lost a little bit of life. It's okay, it happens. In case you were wondering, no, these eggs do not smell like vinegar. All right, ain't so bad. So first batch, complete. And now we move on to the Instapot. We should celebrate the first one. That was good. Crunch, roll. Ooh, Instapot, what you got? All right. Shiny looking egg. All right, that's impressive. Honestly, I didn't want the Instapot to win, and that's pretty good. Let's keep moving on. The crunch even sounds different. Go buy an Instapot. I feel stupid now. That's a perfect egg. Every one of them. They're perfect. So I guess we'll quickly move through these Instapot ones because they're so damn easy to peel. I'm blown away. Another perfect. So 6 for 6. I'm amused by this. And last but not least, the odd Amazon contraption. Good crunch. Ooh, this is pretty comparable to that It's actually smoother. The weird device is gonna win. Oh, it's getting a little messy now. Just when you thought they were gonna go 6 for 6, then one of your eggs gets a little mangled. Not gonna cut it. And our last one. Results are in. Vinegar sucks. And the Instapot went clean, 6 for 6. The odd device almost made it with one straggler. And I mean, we lost one on the way with the boiling water, and these just look terrible. We'll drink to the Instapot. To the Instapot. All right, now that we have successfully undressed all these chicks, or almost successfully, we are gonna dice them up, and I'm gonna show you how to make the most incredible egg filling. Pretty excited now, get to use my knife. So we're gonna chop these guys up. So these first 6, we're gonna take the guts out, or the yolks. These were cooked so well, the yolks just fall out. Don't even need the spoon. Instapot just did it right. It's amazing. Just falls out. Now we're on to the mutilated eggs. Let's see what these look like inside. Oh, I don't even know why that's miscolored. We'll use them. So disappointed with these. See that? Another straggler that must be left behind. 2. It's too weak to even hold the filling. Oh yeah, that'll look great on a tray. All right. So now we got a bowl of yolks. We need a fork. Fork's much easier to mush this pile. So we're gonna add some tasty treats. First, the Dijon. I really don't know how much. Let's just say a good glob. If you like Dijon, add more. Miracle Whip. This is the light version. You can get that full body if you want that full body. How much? Just a couple globs. I'll put that in the description below. Globs. You know what it means. Now, the secret ingredient, my favorite. Pickle juice. Now you can use regular pickle juice, and then you could just have regular deviled eggs. But I go with the habanero, give it a little kick. Ugh. Now, how much? Not a glob. Just enough to where it doesn't soil it. And now, we mush. All this mushing can get pretty exhausting, but we do want it thin. We do not want chunky filling. This is where most people slack, and it shows with their eggs. Tornado mix. So once you get it all mixed up, this is where you can make an assessment. I feel it's a little too thick. More habanero. That'll do. There we go, a little creamier. Now, I'd like to say the magic with these eggs comes from the goop, but it's the presentation. Only the finest eggs get to sit upon this throne. So, now I select. You want the perfect, nice. All right, now that we're ready to drop this goop in our eggs, I like to use a spoon. Fork gets a little weird. You can go for a nice little half moon and perfect delivery. It's glorious. Get on there. There's a good one. Only the finest 6. Be selective, this is important. So I've seen the move where people will put the goop into a plastic bag and squeeze it out like toothpaste, but I'm not a pastry chef. So I'll use my spoon. Now, any amateur would be more than satisfied with delivering this to their friends, family, and loved ones, but not me. We go above and beyond. We want people to get excited about their eggs. So I'm gonna show you the move. Hot smoked salmon, baby. This is the trick. You get some of this fish bait, and we're gonna throw it right on top. Now that we've loaded our first 3 eggs, we got a surprise for these last 3. Crispy air-fried bacon. Yeah, that is cooked perfect. Now you want to have this extra crispy. Nice. Ooh, nice little crispy end. Nice. Now, looking pretty good, isn't it? Well, we're still not done. All right, last move. Not just any paprika, but we've got smoked paprika. This is where you win over the crowd. This little touch just really adds to these deviled eggs flavor profile, which I'm not even real sure what that means, but it makes it taste so good. That's glass and it almost broke. And that is it, my friends. The best damn deviled eggs you will ever see. Nailed it. If you like what we're cooking up in the kitchen, be sure to subscribe and we'll give you more recipes that you could or could not make. But we encourage you to make them. Just make them.